Guys, let's see how many new slimes I can jar today. First up is Stitch's Coconut Pancakes. It's a thick and glossy DIY clay slime scented like coconut pancakes. It comes with a stack of 3 pancakes and an adorable Stitch charm. I jarred 58. Next up is Pop Rockin' Grape. This is a snowfish slime scented exactly like the name. And I promise it looks more purple in person. It comes with 2 different sprinkles as well as grape Fimos. I jarred 94 of these. Next up is Moo Pie. This is a DIY clay slime scented like chocolate marshmallow. It comes with a DIY clay that has a cow and a moon pie charm. I jarred 87. Next up is Jelly Rancher. This is a jelly slime scented like blue raspberry. It comes with yellow and blue bingsu beads on top. I ended up jarring 90 of these. Next up is my favorite this restock, it's Pineapple Slimerita. This is an icy slime scented like pineapple margarita. It comes with pineapple Fimos, glitter, and an ice cube on top. I jarred 106 of these. That brings our grand total to 435 slimes. Thanks for watching.
Make a new slime for the restock with me. First we add all our toppings. It comes with so many goodies. Now we add tons of foam beads and more. Let those mix in. Help me name this new slime scented bubblegum. Use the word unicorn in it.
Hello. I have a special slime request.
Hi. Thanks for reaching out. I'd love to hear your request.
My son loves a good crunchy slime. Can you add fresh popcorn into a slime?
I am unable to add real food to slime, but I can recreate a popcorn slime if you would like.
No, that is okay. I really wanted you to chew the popcorn first and then put it into the slime. He's a huge fan. But I will just do it myself then and say it's from you.
Please do not do that, as it would be untrue. I can sign something for him instead if he is a fan.
Food or slime?